Hi, have you ever wondered how to restrict options on form depending on user's age? With Piotnet Forms, you can set up age limitation for any element or whole form visibility with no need to code. Let's check my demonstration. Your company's running a promotion strategy by offering gifts for customers. Depending on their ages, the gifts will show up correspondingly in form. If their ages are under 18, gifts for teenagers will be shown up. In another hand, the adult gift types will be displayed. For instance, I'll change birthday field to 1980. It means the age in this case is more than 40. Immediately, I'm able to choose adult gift options. Now, let's get started to configure age restriction in your form. I already prepared a simple form here, and desire to limit these image select fields depending age as previous demonstration. A date field to populate the birthday of user is the most necessary. Then you need to add one more date field to set the current date. After revising the field ID and label, scroll down to default value. In this box, fill out the keyword, today. In the next step, add one more field. Change the type to calculated. I temporarily call this field for age. Then fill your calculation format to calculate the age. In my way, I'll get the difference between current date and birthday fields, then divide for 365. This way cannot give an absolute results, but it's still a good way to apply. Let's test the result of calculation formula first. As you can see, the result here is totally correct. In the next step, I'll set conditional logic for these target fields. It's kinda basic to use this feature. I need to show this field if the age field is under 18. To make sure it does not show in default, I'll add one more condition. When loading the form, the age field will return the 0 value, so I will set it to appear if the age field more than 0. In similarly, set conditional logic feature for another field. This field will show up if age field is more than 18. I'll make a test for these conditions. In the last stage, I don't want to show both of current date and age fields on my form. Just need to trigger the responsive feature to hide them on front end. To avoid manipulating many times, you can put these fields into a section or column and set responsive one time for that section or column layout. Let's save the form and check the final result. In practice, you can add more than conditions to diversify your form. It's important to keep in mind that people can lie on your forms. Even after setting an age restriction, users can say that they're older than they actually are, so you should require ID image and form as well. If you have any idea to optimize this age limitation, please comment and share your opinion.